Hello, teacher. Bioethics, medical dilemma, organ donation. Unit 1, Bioethics English Conversation, present to Germán Buritica, delivered by your Yesenia Cruz Villamizar, University Corporation of the Caribe SECAR, degree in English, semester A. Bioethics. It is a systematic study of human behavior in the fields of biological sciences and healthcare. It is concerned with the moral dimension of human life, its meaning of life, its lived or death, its importance is the interest in human nature itself observed from its fullness, and a second vision is under the responsibility of the treatment of all your moral life. Medicine. It is science that allows to prevent and cure diseases of the human body. The importance of human medicine is due to protect, prevent, and care for health of people before, birth, and after death. As a medical dilemma, I chose organ donation. It is pros and cons with respect to bioethics. This issue is very complex since it is based on voluntary uh, donating organs when they have died, or in other cases to save the life of a loved one with the aim of helping some else to have a second chance or radically improve their current quality of life. Currently, more than Colombians require a transplant to continue living or to improve their quality of life, but the performance of this procedure is limited by a shortage of donors. It is very complex to make this decision without knowing that, according to studies, by donating organs and tissues when you die, you can save up 68 many families psychono what their loved one want saved other people. Solution to the organ donation dilemma. The ethical principles that should be respected primarily they are the defense of physical life, self-determination, and the non-instrumentalization of being human. The act of donation is essentially altruistic and as such cannot be compulsory. The process of consent will be ethical, valid if informed, signed by a competent person and free from duress or coercion. The preventive measures around exam at early age prevent terminal illness from unexpectedly attacking the patient and having to be part of a waiting list for organ donation. In the medical field, it would be good to continue campaigning on the importance of organ donation to save others' lives. Thank you, teacher. Bye.